of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
So if you want to see what $1,000 can get you in Enugu, this is the video you need to see. So on today's vlog, I'm going to be taking you to new artisan premium layout Enugu, which is one of the fastest growing areas in Enugu, and the rent there is skyrocketing by the day. So we're going to be showing you what a 500,000 naira apartment looks like in premium layout Enugu. So let's go, guys. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. So let's see what the apartment looks like. Now we're in the living room. This is the living room. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. We are currently at the living room. So this is the living room. Looking at the space size, you can see that it can accommodate a 2-seater, a 3-seater, and a 2 double single chair. And also it has a little space for dining. And not just that, this parlor also has 2 doors, one linking from the dining into the other rooms, and also there is another one from the main parlor. So you can choose to use either of them to get into the room. It has an AC outlet as well, and there's also a cable for ease of connection. It's also connected outside, so just to fix your dish and you are good to go. And there's also space for fan both at the dining area and also at the living room. So that is all about the parlor. So do let me know what you think. You know, in the city of Enugu, the things to consider when renting an apartment, first of all, is there water, is there lights? Those are 2 major things that one put into consideration, because Enugu is known for water scarcity. So this is the lobby area of this apartment. This apartment, why I had to talk about it is simply because water runs in these apartments. And not just that, each flat in this compound is connected to its own tank. So you don't share tank with anybody. You have your own tank. And the beauty about it is that they pump their water directly from the ground. They don't buy. So we are in the room. This is one of the rooms. This room is suited, actually, while the other is not in suit. So this is in suit, and this is what the size of the wardrobe actually looks like in the room. This is what the size looks like. So, and also you can see the size of the room and the space and the bed size, and also the bathroom. Though very small, I'm not so comfortable with the size of the bathroom, but at least it is manageable because there is water. And also the prepaid meter here, each flat also has their own prepaid meter, so you have to buy your light yourself and you don't share with anybody. There's no complaint of you're using too much light or whatever. So that is it about these apartments. So let's see what the other room look like in these apartments. So this is the second room. Like I said, this is not in suit, so the bathroom is outside. This room shares bathroom with visitors. So this is all about the room. Same space, basically same space, same wardrobe size. So no much difference. The only difference is that it's not in suit, just like the first room. So guys, if you love seeing videos like this in our channel, do let us know so we know if we'll give you more updates on apartments in the city of Enugu. So let's see what the bathroom looks like that is being shared with visitors from the parlor. So this is the bathroom size, also very small. Like I said earlier, I don't know why the bathroom is so small. It's so small. So this is the size of the bathroom. Let's now see what the kitchen is like. So we're currently at the kitchen, just to reconfirm if the water is really running everywhere. As you can see, it is running. The water is actually running, and it has some cabinets around on the floor which can accommodate some things. So guys, like I said, do let us know in the comment section if you love seeing videos like this, and if you are seeing this video by now and you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support and love. We hope to get your feedback in the comment section. So stay blessed as we catch you in our next video. Bye.